What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel, Changes with Chunn. I'm Chunn. Wow. Okay, so I'm back with another video today. I'm in the kitchen. I'm baking again. Today I'm baking cinnamon toast crunch cheesecake cupcakes. They're so delicious, and I just want to share that with the world. All right, so let's jump right into it. The first thing you're gonna do is preheat your oven to 275 degrees. Next thing you're gonna do, you're gonna wanna grab your ingredients. I have 2 cups of Cinnamon Toast Crunch cereal that I'm gonna go ahead and use for the crust, along with about half a stick of melted butter. I have a tablespoon of cinnamon. I have more Cinnamon Toast Crunch. It's about a little less than half a cup. I'm gonna put that into the cupcakes. I have a total of a half cup of sugar. I have a 1/4 cup granulated white sugar, and then I have a 1/4 cup brown sugar. 2 eggs, and then 2 packages of room temperature cream cheese. I'm also going to go ahead and add a drop of vanilla, and I like to add flour to make everything come together. That's not on the counter right now. But let's get to baking, baby. So first things first, you're gonna take your 2 cups of Cinnamon Toast Crunch cereal. You're gonna pop them in your food processor or blender and go ahead and crunch them on down. After it's nice and crunched up, you're gonna go ahead and pour in the melted butter. Give it a good mix, making sure all of the cereal is incorporated into the butter. Now, if I was making a regular cheesecake, I would go ahead and add some sugar into this, but to me, Cinnamon Toast Crunch cereal is already sweet enough for me. Okay, so now you have your crust, and you're gonna go ahead and get your baking sheet. I'm going to go ahead and put about a tablespoon of crust into each of the baking cups. Okay, after I fill all of my baking cups, I'm going to take a measuring cup, and I'm just going to go ahead and smash it on down. Once you do that, you're gonna go ahead and bake these for about 7 minutes. Okay, so while the crust is in the oven, we're gonna go ahead and get started on the cheesecake batter. Gonna go ahead and cream it. It's much easier if you do it at room temperature. Please don't do it with cold cream cheese. Once you got a nice creamy consistency, you're gonna go ahead and add in your sugar. So once again, this is a half cup of sugar, but it is a 1/4 cup brown sugar and a 1/4 cup white granulated sugar. Then we're gonna go ahead and mix that. Actually, I'm also going to add the cinnamon at this time. That is 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. Gonna tilt it up. Give your bowl a good scrape, primarily at the bottom. Then we're going to add our eggs in one at a time. Go ahead and mix. Oops. I'm gonna put a drop of vanilla. It's more than a drop, but hey, who doesn't like vanilla? And you're gonna add your second egg. Okay, so at this time, I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of flour. I do that so that it all comes together better. Okay, after that, you're gonna take your Cinnamon Toast Crunch. You're gonna give it a nice crunch. My hands are clean, I promise. Then you're gonna go ahead and add in some cereal. Cinnamon Toast Crunch. It smells so good too. I wish you guys could smell it. Okay. Okay, so now we've taken the crust out of the oven, and we're gonna go ahead and just fill our cups. I'm not gonna use my piping bag today. I'm just gonna put a little dollop in, all messy. I wanna use a spoon as well. After they're filled, you're gonna go ahead, give them a light tap, and put them back into the oven for 18 minutes. Okay, you're gonna take them out of the oven and let them cool to room temperature, and then chill them. Okay, our Cinnamon Toast Crunch Cheesecake Cupcakes are out of the fridge. They are done chilling. Only things left to do are to top them and serve them. So we're just gonna go ahead and give it a nice little swirl. Okay, I've topped my cupcakes with some homemade whipped cream, and now it is time to go ahead and I'm gonna just sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon sugar on the top, and then I'm gonna place a Cinnamon Toast Crunch. So. So now they're topped, and the moment I've been waiting for. It is time to go ahead and taste it. I'm so excited. It's very, very good. I'm enjoying it. If you like the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, go ahead and subscribe. Thank you for watching my channel, Changes with Chunn. I'm Chunn, and these are Cinnamon Toast Crunch Cheesecake Cupcakes.